Welcome to codersclub.in. So in this video, we'll study drop-down list box, which has two tags called as select and option. So I have opened the Visual Studio Code. Now I will open a new file called as eg4.html. So I will start typing the code HTML, and within HTML, first head and then body. So now I will type like this, branch. Okay. So next say select. Here name as branch. Then we'll give option value is equal to CS computer science engineering. So I will make copies. So I will make this as information science IS, and this I'll make it as electronics and communication. This I'll make it as mechanical engineering. This I'll make it as civil engineering. So I will change this computer to information science and engineering. This is electronics and communication. Electronics communication. This is mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering. This is civil engineering. Civil engineering. So this is the way how to use this select option box. So before that, we will see how the output looks like. See, we have got a drop-down list box like this. So branch like this. See, we have got computer science, information science, electronic communication, mechanical engineering, and civil engineering. So let us look into the code. So to get a drop-down list box, you have to use a combination of two tags. The first tag is called as a select tag, and this and one next tag is called as an option tag. Okay, this option tag has to be nested within the select tag. Okay, for the select tag, we are giving a name as branch. So whenever we are giving a name as branch, so you can read this value in the server side. So that is the meaning actually. Okay, and option, and we are giving value as CS, IS, EC, ME, and CE. In the server side, suppose if we have selected computer science and engineering, this branch will take a value of CS. Okay. Suppose if we have selected electronics and communication, whenever we examine the value of branch in the server side, it will have a value of EC. So that is why we have the concept of this value here. And please see this option tag. This is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. And whatever we write here, this is the data actually which appears on the browser. Okay, only this portion will appear on the browser. So we'll see here once again like this. Okay, so now see what happens is this is the first option, computer science and engineering, and that is what is appearing here. Okay, computer science and engineering. Suppose if our requirement is that we want electronics and communication to appear when the screen is rendered. So at that time, what we have to do is we have to write here as selected. So we use the term checked in case of radio button and checkbox, but in case of this select option drop-down list box, we have to use this selected. So now we will see what happens. See, you see whenever this screen is rendered, so electronics and communication is appearing in the drop-down list box. So, but whenever we drop this, all the things will be all the other options also will be available. So you should remember that in case of radio button and checkbox, you have to use the term checked, and in case of a select option drop down list box, you have to use a terminology called as selected. Okay, thank you.